Is Psyllium Husk as good as Ozempic at curbing your appetite? So that might seem like a crazy statement to make, but Saturday morning was day 3 of me taking Psyllium Husk. And so right here on my Instagram account and YouTube channel, I posted a video about my experience having done Psyllium Husk for 3 days in a row. It's now day 5. And when I woke up on Sunday, I don't really look at my statistics. I have about 25 people follow me on Instagram. And that's awesome. Thank you very much for following me. But when I woke up today, I looked, and there's 200 new people have started following my Instagram account. And I had dozens of messages, comments, and shares from that one post about Psyllium Husk versus Ozempic. I had a couple of people being a little bit grumpy, I think is the term. But overall, I'm blown away. I had so many people share really nice comments and what's working for them. Things like cinnamon sticks. And so, first of all, thank you to the 200 people who have decided to subscribe to my channel. It's very, very kind of you. And completely unexpected. This is just my daily vlog where I get to ramble on about my weight loss and what's working, what's not working. I'm not an influencer in the fitness space at all. I'm just a guy trying to lose a bunch of weight and having some success and some failures. So thank you very much for watching. And as to the Psyllium Husk, tomorrow what I'm going to do, because there was so much interest in it, I'm going to show you my exact protocol, what it looks like. And I'll tell you right now, it's just 1 teaspoon before my main meal in the evenings. But I'll actually go through the process of exactly what I do, how I do it. And the reason for that is there are a few things I've learned just over the last few days of doing it that might help you. So that's going to come tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. And yeah, that's completely unexpected. So if you have other ideas about weight loss that have helped you, please put those down in the comments down below. And I'm going to go and enjoy my morning walk.